What up, it's your man Dhan Dee, reporting live from San Francisco. Shout out to HowExpert.com. And yo, if you get into Emcee and you get into rapping, there go 5 tips. Number 1 is read. You want to read as much as possible. Number 2 is write. You want to write every day. Sharpen your sword. Number 3, be original. Don't try to copy nobody else's style. Come up with your own style. 4, be yourself. Authenticity, it matters. 5, practice. Practice makes perfect. Sharpen your sword. Practice as much as you can. It will flow from yours truly. Every day I get better in every facet of life. Pass me the mic. It's a good look like passing the mic. You get a style. I fashion it right. You weigh it out, play it out, kid. Having a house party tonight. Want my piece of the pie. Ration it right. You cut the piece, I keep the pie. You how you the slice. It's a beautiful thing. When I'm rapping on the mic, whip that ass for 3 hours. Passion of the Christ, kick it with the Piro. Give me the hino, y'all go with the flow. I take another rap like an inno. 16 bars, I'm monologue, then I'm chemo. You trying to debate, you sharp bait, yeah, minnow. How you gon' win though? Your wife, she a widow. You ain't gotta jump, I'll throw you out the window. Say you some energy, I'm afraid of my enemies. Like you just a bitch to me. Hope they keep you in the kennel. It's Dhan Dee, coming out that Shot Town. Peace and love.